Okay, everybody, so this is the tutorial to show you how to complete challenge 2 or challenge 3 for today. So let me show you challenge 2 again. Challenge 2 is where we're looking at, sometimes we've got hundreds, sometimes we have tens, sometimes we're taking away hundreds, sometimes we're taking away tens, sometimes we're taking away tens and ones, sometimes we're taking away just ones. So we need to think carefully about our place value in this challenge. So I'm going to show you how to do one of those types of questions. So if we've got 152, I'm going to create 152. And let's say I needed to take away 52. Can you already predict what the answer is going to be? Well done, it's 100, because we know we can take away all of this. This is 52. So we can take away our 2 and we can take away our 50. And we're left with 100. Well done. Let's have another go. Let's say we've got 312. Oh, there we go. So we've got 300, 110 and 2 ones, 312. And this time we're going to take away 102. So we need to take away 100. Do we need to take away any tens? No, because it was 102. There were no tens in there to take away. We're going to take away 2 ones. So what are we left with? 210. 210. No ones, so we need to put a 0 at the end there because we haven't got any ones left. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at how we might do that in a pictorial jotting. Okay, let's say we've got 374, take away 120. So I'm going to draw my hundreds first in my minuends. I'm going to draw my 300s. Then I'm going to draw my 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll draw my 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I need to look at what I'm subtracting in my subtrahend. So I've got 100 to take away. I've got 2 tens I need to take away. And 0 ones, so I'm going to leave the ones alone. Right, what have we got left? Let's look at what the difference is. 200s left. Right, my 200s, my hundreds digit. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the answer is 254. Okay. Some of you might be able to use your abstract method by doing it in your head, because you can see that we're taking 100 away from 300, which gives us 200. You can see that we're taking 2 tens away from 7 tens, which gives us 5 tens. And you can see that we're taking 0 away from 4 ones. So we're still going to have our 4 ones. So if you can use that mental strategy, you can do it like that. That's great. Have a go at doing it like that. Well done. Okay, if you want to have a go at that challenge, you can stop the video and start now. If you feel that you want even more of a challenge, then go on to challenge 3. So you'll find challenge 3 on the class page on the website. I'm going to show you how to do this one. Okay, so here's the example. There were 55 flowers in a field. Some children pulled out 32. How many flowers were left? So we need to think about which number are we taking away from what? So first of all, I'm going to start by drawing a cherry model because that helps me to know what I need to do with the numbers. So what number did we start with? And it's not always the number at the beginning, so we need to think it through. How many flowers were there to start with? Well done, it was 55. So I can write in here 55. And part of that number is 32 because 32 flowers were pulled out. So that means that 32 is part of the number 55. There were 55 flowers and 32 of those flowers have been pulled out. So the other number, how many flowers were left. Okay, so that means I know that 32, add this number, makes 55. I know that 55, take away this number, will tell me how many is left. So I can do 55, take away 32. And then I can use the abstract, can't I? So I can say, I've got 5 tens and I need to take away 3. And that's going to give me 2 tens. And I've got 5 ones, sorry. I'm taking away 2 ones. And I know I'm going to be left with 3 ones. So my answer in the cherry model is 23. So I can use that now to check whether I'm right. I can use my addition to check whether I'm right. So I know in my cherry model that these 2 numbers added together, these 2 numbers here added together is going to make my total again. So I could even use that to check. I could say 23 add 32. You could have a go at adding that up and see if you get the number 55. If you do, it means you're right. As you look down, you might find some questions where the minuend isn't always that obvious. So you need to think about which number is the minuend, which number did the field start with, or the school start with, or how many pencils were there to begin with. And you need to read the words carefully to work that out. And that number will always go first. The minuend will always go first, the number that you started with, okay, before you take it away. As you scroll down, there's a challenge at the bottom, and the challenge is in the wording, so you need to read this really carefully. Miss Dangerfield threw 22 pairs of old socks away. Okay, there's 2 socks in a pair. She used to have 86 individual socks, not pairs. So 86 socks that are on their own. How many pairs does she have left? So I want you to have a really good think about that. I'm not going to tell you how to work that out. I want you to really think it through and see if you can work it out. Okay. Right, good luck everybody. I can't wait to see how your subtraction comes along today. And then after today's lesson, so on Monday, we're going to then use our knowledge to work out a little bit more how much stationery we've used in butterflies or dragonflies class. Good luck, can't wait to see what you do.